What if I told you there is a peptide that can literally reverse the aging process at the cellular level, boost your energy like you are 20 again, and help you lose stubborn fat while improving your insulin sensitivity? And what if I told you it's not some miracle pill, but an actual medical science that's been hidden in a plain sight? I am Jay Patel, a certified PA specializing in hormones, vitamins, and HGH peptides. And today I am breaking down SS-31 peptide, the mitochondrial powerhouse that could change everything you think you know about aging. Stick around because what I am about to share could literally add years to your life and life to your years. Let me paint you a picture. Imagine your cells are like cars and your mitochondria are like engines. Over time, this engine starts breaking down, running less efficiently, and eventually they start failing. That's the aging in a nutshell. Now, what if there was a mechanic that could not only fix this engine but makes them run better than when they were new? And that is SS-31 peptide. SS-31 is what we call a mitochondrial-targeted peptide. Think of it as a personal trainer for your cellular powerhouse. While most treatment works on symptoms, SS-31 goes straight to the source, your mitochondria, where energy production happens. Here is what makes this incredible. Your mitochondria are responsible for 90% of your cellular energy. When mitochondria is damaged or dysfunctional, you feel tired, you age faster, your metabolism slows down, and your body starts falling apart. SS-31 doesn't just protect this powerhouse, it actually helps repair and optimize them. Now, I'm not going to bore you with the complex biochemistry, but here is what you need to know about how SS-31 works and its mechanism of action. First, it targets something called cardiolipin. Don't worry about the name. Just know this is like oil in your car's engine. When cardiolipin gets damaged, your cellular engine starts misfiring. SS-31 goes in and fixes this, making your mitochondria run smoother and more efficiently. Second, it reduces what we call oxidative stress. Think of this as a cellular rust. Just like rust destroys metal, oxidative stress destroys your cell from inside out. SS-31 acts like a protective coating, preventing this from happening. Third, and this is huge for weight loss, it optimizes how your cell uses fuel. Instead of storing everything as fat, your cell becomes more efficient at burning energy. This means better metabolism, easier weight loss, and sustained energy throughout the day. The results? Your cell starts acting younger, your energy increases, your recovery improves, your skin looks better, your brain feels sharper. It's like hitting the reset button on your cellular age. So let me tell you what this means for your daily life, because that's what really matters. Energy that lasts. Remember being a teenager and having energy all day long? SS-31 users reports feeling like they have got their energy back. We are talking about sustained energy, not the crash and burn you get from caffeine or energy drink. Number 2, weight loss that actually sticks. Here is the thing about mitochondrial health and weight loss. When your cellular engines are running efficiently, your body becomes a fat burning machine. I have seen patients lose 15 to 20 pounds in their first 90 days. But more importantly, they keep it off because their metabolism is actually working properly again. Number 3, anti-aging from inside out. While everyone's chasing external anti-aging treatments, SS-31 works from the cellular level. User reports better skin elasticity, reduced joint pain, improved cognitive function, and that overall feeling of vitality that most people loses in their 40s and 50s. Next one is insulin sensitivity, game changer. This is huge for anyone struggling with blood sugar issue or pre-diabetes. When your mitochondria works better, your cell becomes more responsive to insulin. This means better blood sugar control, reduced craving, and easier weight management. Let me share a story that really brings this home. I had a 52-year-old patient, let's call her Sarah, who came to me exhausted, struggling with the last 20 pounds of weight she couldn't lose, constantly tired, and her doctor was warning her about pre-diabetes. 3 months on SS-31 and she texted me saying that she feels like she was 30 again. Her energy was through the roof and she lost 18 pounds effortlessly and her blood sugar normalized. That's the power of fixing things at the cellular level. Now remember, she didn't only do SS-31, she also optimized her overall lifestyle. So like any other peptide, SS-31 works when you combine this with a lifestyle change improve your overall health. Now let's talk about who can benefit from this, because honestly, it's probably more people than you think. So the exhausted executives, if you are hitting that 3 p.m. energy crash every day, drinking multiple cups of coffee just to function, or feeling like you need a vacation from your vacation, your mitochondria might be crying for help. SS-31 may help. The frustrated weight loss warriors. You know who you are. You have tried every diet, you exercise regularly, but the scale won't budge. When your cellular metabolism is broken, willpower isn't enough. You need to fix the engine first. SS-31 can help. The active agers. If you are over 35 and you have noticed recovery takes longer, you don't bounce back like you used to, or you are losing that competitive edge, SS-31 could be your secret weapon. The pre-diabetic warriors. Got elevated blood sugar, family history of diabetes, feels like you are fighting a losing battle with insulin resistance? SS-31's effects on insulin sensitivity could be exactly what you need. The peak performance seeker, athletes, entrepreneurs, busy parents, anyone who needs their body and brain running at the optimal level. This isn't just about treating problems, it's about optimizing performance. But here's who shouldn't use this peptide. Pregnant or nursing female. Anyone under 25, because probably your mitochondria are still in great shape, or anyone with certain heart conditions. Always consult with a healthcare provider, preferably one who understands the peptide therapy. So let's get practical. How do you actually use SS-31? Most of the protocol starts with sub-Q injections. Yes, you inject it, but these are tiny insulin-like needles that most people barely feel. We typically start with 5 to 10 mg per day, usually in morning to maximize the energy benefit. Some provider prefers to cycle it, like 5 days on, 2 days off, or 3 weeks on, 1 week off. Other uses continuously. The approach depends on your goals and how your body responds. I usually recommend daily for first 2 to 3 months and then cycle it based on your goals and your results. Now here's what to expect timeline wise. Week 1 to 2. You might not notice much, but cellular changes have started already. Week 3-4, energy starts improving. Sleep quality often gets better. Week 5 to 8, this is where the magic happens. Weight loss, improved recovery, mental clarity. Month 3 and beyond, long-term metabolic improvements, sustained energy, anti-aging benefits. Now you may think this sounds expensive. Cost-wise, you are looking at about $300 to $500 per month depending on the dosage and so on. I know that sounds like a lot, but when you compare it with what people spend on supplement that doesn't work, energy drink or anti-aging treatment that only works on surface, it's actually quite reasonable for what you are getting. Quality matters tremendously with peptides. You want pharmaceutical grade third-party tested products. This isn't the place to bargain shop. Bad peptide doesn't just not work, they can be harmful. I cannot stress enough to make sure to follow up with the medical provider first and find a provider that actually works with peptide and understand peptides, because this provider can also order your peptides from a reputable pharmacies. So you have to make sure that you follow up with the provider who understands the peptide and get it from the pharmacy that is reputable to get a clean product. Let me be real with you about what SS-31 is and isn't. What it is, a powerful tool for mitochondrial optimization that can significantly improve energy, metabolism, and cellular health. It's backed by solid science and has a real measurable effects. What it's not, a magic bullet that fixes everything overnight. It won't replace healthy eating, exercise, or good sleep habit. Think of it as a powerful ally in your health journey, not a replacement for the basics. Most people see meaningful improvement within 6 to 8 weeks, but the full benefit often takes 3 to 6 months to manifest. This is a cellular level change we are talking about. It takes time. Some people experience mild side effect initially, slight fatigue as cells starts working more efficiently, or temporarily changes in the sleep pattern. This usually resolves within the first few weeks. Here is what excites me the most about SS-31. It represents a fundamental shift in how we think about aging and health. Instead of just treating symptoms as they arise, we are actually addressing the root cause of the cellular aging. So think about it. Most of the diseases we associate with aging, diabetes, heart disease, cognitive decline, muscle loss, They all have mitochondrial dysfunction at their core. By optimizing mitochondrial function, we are not just treating one problem, we are potentially preventing dozens of age-related issues. This is personalized medicine at its finest. We are not giving everyone the same pill and hoping for the best. We are targeting the specific cellular machinery that keeps you healthy and energetic. If you are watching this and thinking, this sounds too good to be true, I get it. We have been conditioned to believe that aging is inevitable and that feeling tired and sluggish is just part of getting older. But what if it doesn't have to be? SS-31 isn't about living forever, it's about living better. It's about having energy to play with your grandkids, the metabolism to maintain a healthy weight, and a vitality to pursue your passion at any age. Remember, the best time to start optimizing your mitochondria was 10 years ago. And the second best time is today. Your future self will thank you for taking action now rather than waiting until problem becomes obvious. If this resonates with you, talk to a healthcare provider who understands peptide therapy. Do your research, ask questions, but don't let the fear of unknown keeps you from exploring something that could genuinely transform your health. Thanks for watching, and remember, aging might be inevitable, but how fast you age and how you feel along the way, that's more in your control than you might think. Follow us for more evidence-based health topics, and let me know if any other topic you want me to cover in my next video. Comment below.